Snake creeps down and bird stands alone on the right side this time. So from bird stands alone, on the left, balancing on your left leg, you're going to turn almost 180 degrees, taking a deep lunge backwards, paralleling your right arm to your right leg, going from there into a deep squat, into a deep lunge on the other side. Right hand comes up by the face, standing up and balancing on your left or on your right leg, lifting your left knee, connecting your left arm and knee together. Right hand goes by the right hip. There's a few other angles to see it from. The important thing here is that you get that big 180-degree turn in the beginning and go down into the deep lunge.